Here I bought a debit spread on SoFi a while back on Robinhood, and I set a price at $2. So basically, I would double my contract. I want the 201 limit, so I would make about $200 on this one. But instead of me canceling this order because it has it only for today, but let's say I want to have it good till it's canceled. If you notice here, it's good for that day, and I want to replace it, so I continue. So I set the same price, and you see here on the upper right corner, I hit limit, and if I scroll all the way down, I have the option to good to cancel. So once I hit that, I did the same order, just set my same price, and instead of cancel the order, I changed the day. So it's good till cancel. And instead of having my call debit spread for good for that day, and see here I cancel the order, and if I go back on my debit spread, it's good till cancel now. So instead of cancel your order, you could replace it, and that's how you do it. So check out the next video.